SS2. Huh? They rotated a little bit with the brake on.
Yeah, it gives you
Doogie didn't adjust the shit right.
Yeah, Doogie. I thought you adjusted the brakes. Take Doogie's paycheck back, man.
He adjusted
and write him up.
92 Honda Civics.
Oh, okay. We need to adjust it for.
No, I did it for the Jetta. That only makes 126 horsepower.
This probably isn't going to be much different. That's a 338. Oh, it's one horsepower off. 338, bro. Shake it in there, Steven. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck, it's cream pie there.
You gotta drag it on all that.
That's the second cream pie too.
A little bit. Yeah. I think that's washable. You should be able to wash it out. Just wash it out.
So we brought my buddy's truck up here to FinishLine Industries, stock Raptor Shelby. Had 365 horse.
No, it made 330.
330. Now we've got it pulling 490.
Yeah.
That is night-and-day difference, ladies and gentlemen. I guarantee we had it every bit of there.
He should like it, man. It's a big difference.
Man, what a wild ride. Hey, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or suggestions, be sure to hit that comments box below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and a follow. We'll see you next time.